Yeah, in the last group there, the last group of the legendary singers and producer. There is one serious super producer there, producer Godi of Lacho Legacy Studio. Producer Godi of Legacy Studio. Elemano Commando of Nile Republic. Elemano there among the legendary singers. We have Rakas Topper. Rakas Topper there among the legendary singers. We have himself, Mr. Badman Robbie. Yeah. Yeah, they are Go Hitmaker. Mr. Go Hitmaker, legendary singer. Robbie there, himself Robbie, Badman Robbie. Yeah, any group magike. Let us not forget about DJ Languna. I am very much aware that he may not make it to Gulu, but still we have his recognition. We must recognize him as one of the pioneers of Northern Uganda music, actually music. Himself the king, DJ Languna there. Yeah, we appreciate. Wamaro ni beri kenwa, dok wamiro ni katwere no mirbet kedwa, but wangeyo, being a pastor now, being a pastor, man of God right now, yin petwero, beru kedwa go Gulu, pia nitiki commitments mukene, gin mapire tek eneni, in this last group, for the legendary singers and producer, one producer, Godi of Lacho Legacy Studio. Godi, Robbie, Rakas Topper, and DJ Languna. Yeah, don't forget, ni on Ace, no one on TK, meeting for all the legendary singers and producers. Manyurni, kapebi beru in person, kuno, no, you should be represented. Lubamid Wugum, we love you all. Amaru Bofa Awards meeting in Gulu. Lubamid Wugum, Nendwa Boro, 8th November 2024. Amaru Weng.